Kids, TV.
Hey kids, today let's explore and see my hobbies and interests. Reading books. Reading books, I like reading books in the library. Playing the guitar. Playing the guitar, I like playing the guitar in music class. Singing. Singing, I love singing in front of the people. Drawing. Drawing, I love drawing with crayons. Cooking. Cooking, I love cooking for my parents. Playing games. Playing games, I love playing games with my brother. Dancing. Dancing, I love dancing to ballet music. Swimming. Swimming, I love swimming in summer season. Hiking. Hiking, I like going hiking in the mountains. Riding a bicycle. Riding a bicycle, I enjoy riding a bicycle at the park. Kids, let me know what are your hobbies and interests. Comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.